So the Caldera Cone is one of those legendary stoves that has been setting standards for many, many years. It gave us wild campers and true hikers an ultralight stove that had brilliant stability, excellent wind protection, excellent fuel efficiency, because the simple design meant that the heat travelled all the way around the outside of the cup and the water used to heat up a lot quicker. But the problem here is it's been out of manufacturing for a long time. I always wanted one. I was always searching online for a second-hand one, or I was always flirting with the idea of creating my own one. You can find things online of how to create your own one. And the time that the Caldera Cone, I suppose, was out of the limelight, it gave other manufacturers time to create their own and fill that gap. And that's exactly what 3FUL have done. So this is the 3FUL Conical Cone, and the full unit, including the 750ml pot, weighs only 166 grams. I've had this out recently on my last wild camp, and to say I'm happy about it is probably an understatement. So let's take it out, let's go through it, and I'll show you some of the features. So this came straight off my last wild camp. So this way it comes. You get the mesh bag. It also comes with a fuel bottle if you want to use it. It comes with a Velcro strap, and it also comes with like a measuring shot glass, we'll say. I actually can't find it. There's one feature in this that I absolutely adore, and I haven't got it on anything else. And it's so simple, but I'm a gadget freak, so I love it. And that's the little silicone handle at the top, and it's so good for picking up when it's hot. So it really protects the pinkies. And it really worked. On the last wild camp I loved it, because I was always before searching for a fork or something to actually lift it up. That little silicone thing is genius. I just love it. But anyway, that's that. Okay, so it comes with the handle. It also comes with your very, very light 8 grams aluminium stove. The titanium windshield comes in 2 parts. I'll put this together and I'll show you how it works. And then this is your 750ml pot. Snow Rock is the manufacturer on it, but it's been sold by 3FUL. So the top part literally slots into each other, and the bottom part does the very same thing. So you can slide the smaller part in through the bottom, and there's these little clips that holds it in place. Just as simple as that. There's even a gap at the side here that works with the spout here. Push it down, shin shin. How cool is that? I mentioned earlier on that it's brilliant fuel efficiency. You can see how it would be really good in the wind because it's blocked from every angle. But that simple design also helps with the fuel efficiency. Your main source of heat will be underneath the pot, but because the cone goes all the way up to the lip, the heat will be staying inside in that cylinder which surrounds your cup, and it'll help heat the water a lot faster. It's a very simple design. There isn't a whole lot of features to go into. Double stack cone that holds underneath the lip of a 750ml cup with a very light aluminium basic stove. That's all it is, but it works so well. Okay, so let's get 500ml of water in it. Let's burn it up and let's see how long it takes. Okay, let's put it on. Let's set the timer. 500ml of water. A rolling boil at 6 minutes and 34 seconds. So that's the Conical stove in action, and as you see, it boiled 500ml of water in 6 minutes and 34 seconds. Granted, I'm in a very, very controlled environment here with no wind, so that's going to really add to how quickly it did boil the water. But I can attest that this works really well in the wind. I had it out on a wild camp last weekend, and your times will always change with the environment you're in anyway. So if you're in a colder environment and your water source is a lot colder, your times are going to change on any stove. So a few features I really like, and that's the silicone grab on top. I love the spout over here. It's such a simple build anyway. It's such a simple design, but it's really stable and it's really well built. The one critique I do have is this handle here. I wish it folded over the top and stayed in place. The fact that it comes off separately, you may lose it, and if you're careful with your gear you won't, but I just wish that this handle stayed with the actual unit. As the Caldera Cone is actually back, it's never going to lose its legendary status. But 3FUL has built something really, really good here. It's a ready-to-go alternative to the Caldera Cone, an all-in-one kit that's only 166 grams, which is incredible. So if you're chasing, say, simplicity, efficiency, or reliability on the trail, well, this definitely deserves a place in your backpack. You can pick it up for around 90 USD, about 77 euro. I can leave the link in the description anyway, but this is something that I'm going to be bringing on the trail a good few times in the future. So if you follow the channel, you'll see in my next couple of wild camp videos, which I'm going to be going out next weekend, I'll definitely be bringing this with me. So let me know what you think, and thanks very much for watching. Stay safe out there. That's the 3FUL Conical Stove. I really, really love it. Mind yourself. We'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.